Meaning of im.
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 Im. The prefix im dash has several different meanings depending on the context it is used in. In general, it means not or the opposite of. For example, impossible means not possible. Another meaning is into or within, as in immerse, which means to submerge into a liquid. In addition, it can mean toward or against, as in impede, which means to hinder progress. Overall, the prefix im dash is used to modify words by negating, intensifying, or reversing their meanings, and plays an important role in English language vocabulary.